The sorted function returns the items from the container you passed in, sorted as a list. Optionally, sorted has 2 additional pieces of functionality that I'll get into later. From this code, you see the basic use of the sorted function. You have a tuple with a bunch of numbers, then when you pass it into the sorted function to assign the result back to A, you get all the numbers from the tuple sorted into a list. Now, if you want to turn it back into a tuple like it originally was, you would want to wrap the call to sorted in the tuple constructor method, but I won't go any further into that in this video. In this code, you can see that the sorted also has the additional functionality of being able to specify the optional parameter reverse. If you specify reverse to be true, then the items from your container will be sorted in reverse, as you can see from the rest of this code. From this last bit of code, you see the key optional parameter at work. With the key optional parameter, you can specify a function to be performed on each element before the sorting takes place. Once you look at the result, you also see, though, the function you assign as the key parameter doesn't permanently change the items, though, as the R is still capitalized in the end result. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. If you're trying to learn the code, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in Python's built-in methods, check out the playlist on screen now or in the link in the description. Ciao.